I just realized I don't have anything over here. Let's go ahead and go to the full screen. Oh my goodness gracious. Guys, are we going to break 60K today? Are we going to break 60K today? Holy crap. Holy crap. Shorts wrecked again. Bears getting destroyed. It is a beautiful sight to see. I gave an update yesterday saying how this fifth wave doesn't have to cross over too far of the third wave in order to be complete. But I was counting this fifth wave last night, and I was like, I don't really see a 5-wave structure within this fifth wave. And I tried to make sense of it. I was like, is it this? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 not going into territory of wave 1. But then this happens. So obviously my count was wrong. It happens. And now, man, I don't know. Do we break 60K today? Do we break it during the live stream? Wouldn't that be cool? Good morning, Justin Eubanks. It is good to see you, as always. Yeah. I don't know. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, saw the price, and was like, about fell out of bed. Well, basically did fall out of bed. So I was like, holy crap. Holy crap. We are going to the moon. Of course, I said it on Billy Goat Tales last night. If you missed it, you need to go to X and follow at Crypto Billy and at Billy Goat Tales. I needed to listen to that space last night about the Bitcoin standard. I enjoyed the conversation. There was some, back and forth on, the sustainability of Bitcoin when it comes to like mining and, the possibility of regular folks being priced out of mining. It's very, very interesting stuff. But yeah. Billy Goat Tales was awesome. Piper spoke. Alex O spoke. I spoke. Just go check it out. Links to Piper and Alex O in my description. Go follow those guys. Give them a follow and tell them I sent you, and then they will give you a 20% discount off of their kindness. I don't know. They don't sell anything. Yeah. So Bitcoin 60K. Yo, Tony Soprano. Good morning. 60K is a major psychological level. I don't really know if Bitcoin gives a crap. Hola, French tosta. Everybody's here. We do have our buying volume kind of on the decline. You see that? Do kind of see it coming down a little bit. But I'm not really. Let's see if we have any bearish divergences. Could be putting one in right here on the 1 hour. Could be putting one in. This is just can't stop, won't stop. Do we make it to the 0.887 today? $62,949. Maybe. Maybe. It's possible. Let's go ahead and zoom out. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. See, I was able, let's see, I counted those waves on the 15-minute, right? ABC. What are you saying? Yo, L. Jones. Damn, I was there for like 15 minutes. Missed it. I'm going to listen when I get to the office. You what? What? Hey, Justin. Hey, Toaster. Yo, L. What up, L. Jones? A little stuffy. All right. Where was I? Oh, yeah, waves. So, obviously, where's the man? This one is a difficult one to count because of how choppy this thing was. But if this was kind of like an ABC, we might have started another impulsive move. A, B, C, D, E. Wow. I mean, it is just absolutely insane. What are we doing right now? So we just broke the Asia high just during the London session, took out the Asia high. That's it. That's it. That's all we needed. That's all we needed. Time to go short. Time to go short. And good luck. Good luck shorting this mofo. How about we don't short? How about we just don't short it. Just buy the lows, guys. Just buy the lows. Just buy support. I'll listen to BGT, Billy Goat Tales, for 15 minutes. Kids, Tuesdays are hectic nights, baseball and team dinner. Yeah, we had softball last night. We had softball last night. Here it comes. It's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. You know it. You know it's not. You know it's not. Oh man. So last night I did find this interesting. And that was that our the Bitcoin dominance had already broken the 0.786. And that's when I knew. That is when I knew my short scalp was going to get wrecked. More than likely. I was like, this thing's going to get wrecked. And it did. It did overnight. And that's perfectly fine. That's why we use stop losses, right? To preserve our capital. So the market cap broke the 0.786 before the price did. And now this is the result. We now have broken the 0.786. Today, we do have GDP. We have prelim GDP price index, goods trade balance. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, 8:30 is the time to watch. No one cares what any of this stuff actually means. They only care what is it doing? How is it going to affect price, or does it affect price? I really don't even care. Excuse me. I don't even really care how it affects the price. I just care that it provides movement to the market. So, a prelim GDP, maybe. I think tomorrow's PCE and unemployment claims are going to be the movers. Man, look, this thing is just rocking. You love to see it. What's ETH doing? ETH, when did it break? 3,300. So it broke 3,300 last night. 2 o'clock this morning. Start of London. Broke 3,300. So this one looks more toppy than Bitcoin. to 0.618 at 33.44. Did get a close above, but then are pulling back below the 0.7 or 618. This one looks more toppy than Bitcoin. Could be. Let's throw a fib on here, top to bottom. We did barely tap the 0.5 and got rejected, but this could be short-lived right here. This little dip, this might be a dip to buy. If I break this down even smaller, put a measured move in here. You know, what is this, a broadening wedge? Measured move from here to here. I could see it. Order block down to 33.20, but that is somewhere I would probably buy. However, let's make sure. Let's take a look. Let's take our fib from the start of the move, right at 0.5, right at 33.11. Could be somewhere to scoop up some ETH. Of course, the non-conservative route would be all the way back down, just back down to this consolidation range at about 3,300. So that would make sense psychologically for it to hold 3,300 and then continue higher. Let's go back to Bitcoin. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Is this wave done now? Are we finally done with wave 5? Or is it or did we start a new impulsive move? That's what I need to know. I need to know if we're done with wave 5, or if we have started, or if we completed this wave 5 right here yesterday and we're starting a new impulse move to the upside. That's what I need to know. Who cares? Let's just buy. Just buy it. Just buy it. We're going to new all-time highs by next week. Oh, my goodness. Let's go back. Let's zoom out a lot. Okay. I need a clean chart. Good morning. Don't forget to hit that like button. Join the Discord. All that good stuff. Follow on X. Yada, yada, yada. I forgot this. I drew on this. Get off of here. All right. What are the altcoins doing? Let me move this real quick. Coinbase. Anything up big? NCT? Polyswarm? Okay. All right. Wow, man. Let's go to the monthly because I do want to point this out. This is a fair value gap on the monthly that I've been watching ever since we were like down in this range. And I figured this is where we were going to go. But man, did we get here a lot quicker than I thought we would. Guys, what is stopping this thing from breaking new all-time highs this week? Like, seriously. This is insane. Literally insane. Monthly looks good. It's just now starting to get into overbought. This is wild. Look at this wave here. We're just riding waves. Can I get a sticker with an emoji, surfer emoji? Well, let's just do some waves. Can I do this? We're just riding the waves. This is just too insane. Ride the waves, ride the waves. I mean, I gotta turn this off. 0.887. I mean, we're breaking through the 0.786. That's really the last major Fibonacci retracement level that it really needed to break through. 0.887 is there, but wow. Wow. This candle, this monthly candle is so far at 38.93%. Holy crap. What is that? A $16,000 candle. And it hasn't stopped yet. It's not stopping. It's not stopping. So, do we break 60K today, lads? Do we break 60K today? Give me a 1 if you think we're going to break 60K today. How do I do? Can one of my mods create a poll? Um, 60K today, yes or no? What else do we have going on? Let's see. Ocean. Rocking. Oh, look at that. I drew something up. Little cup and handle. Got the breakout. Did we get a back test on the lower time frame? Possibly. I would. I'd like to see I'd like to see a break above there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and. Whoops. Oh well. Let's go ahead and do. Where is Prime Oscillator Pro? Sorry, I'm still got the cough, but we feel a lot better. Chart Prime Oscillator. Let's go to the higher time frame. That's what I really need to see. We do have the volume dying off on Ocean, but I mean, just another spike here, and this thing could keep going. We do have some reversal indicators coming in. This is on the 4-hour, so that means that this thing could still definitely push higher, and could come up to this target of about $1.35. Let's go to FET. What are you doing, FET? FET's looking FET. APT pumped 20%, Tony says. Crazy. Tony also said yesterday that CME hit $58,250 and was being kind and didn't remind me that I forgot to look at that. Whoa. What was I drawing on here? Let's zoom out. Let's see what David was up to. Oh. Okay. I mean, as you can see, guys, I'm a wizard. Because this matches up perfectly. Not. But hey, it's pretty close. I see. I actually thought we would get here sooner. Not really. Oh, wow. Maybe we can extend this out a little bit. Oh man, are we gonna stop here? Are we really gonna stop here? Or is this thing just gonna keep on going? I got a feeling it's just gonna keep on going. $59,925 is where the CME ended yesterday. Wow. So is that where we're going to get to on our Coinbases and Binances and stuff? I don't even know. What do you guys think? Synthetics pumping. Goodness. Oh, wait. No, this is Synapse. Synapse. No idea how to create a poll. There's a little thing in the bottom right-hand corner, and you push it, and it says create poll or something. I don't know. I'm kind of just in awe right now, guys, to be honest with you. It's just I kind of want Bitcoin to like really start correcting so that my altcoins can really get moving. I don't think mods can make polls. Can they not? Sure they can. I've made polls before. All right, here it is. Here's the dump, guys. Here's the dump that you're going to short and Bitcoin's going to wreck you on. Don't fight the trend. Don't fight the trend. Yesterday I tried to fight the trend and lost. So, don't fight the trend. Is there 5 waves? 1, 2. I need a third wave to break wave 3 over here. That's what I need. I was thinking that this was the pullback of wave 1, wave 2, and then wave. So the 5th wave can be an expansive wave. 4th wave, as long as it doesn't break the territory of wave 1, it's fine. And then stretch up. So the 5th wave can be an expansive wave, and that was kind of what I was afraid of yesterday, was that this was going to end up being an expansive 5th wave, mostly because I didn't see, while we did have bearish divergences here, I didn't see, price was holding. I would have expected more if price was like this. I would expect more like this, what we're getting right now, if it was going to really stop and turn over. And we are dumping big right now. This is just a buy. This just means buy. Now, we did take out the Asia high as soon as the London kill zone ended and London session really got going. Take out the Asia high. It's usually a telltale sign that we have finally possibly reached the end of this move to the upside. But I don't know if I wouldn't just expect to come down here to the 0.786, $57,542, and look for support and then continue the march higher. So it might be a short term, correction in here. Maybe we get an ABC. Maybe. I wouldn't count on it. I would just be buying. I don't know if I think I'm kind of done. I say I'm done shorting, and then now we're going to get the big correction, right? That's how it usually goes. But I do want to see some promise here, so some proof that we are going to actually correct and not just keep on barreling forward. It wouldn't surprise me at this point, the way things are going. What else do we have? Let's go to our crypto heat map. Let's take a look at the volatility index and see what is really moving Bitcoin. Almost 5% again. Let's get rid of these small ones. No one cares about any of these. Solana's up 7%. Hedera's up 10%. Come on, show me something. Phantom 13%. Anything super crazy? Are we 43.87%? My goodness. Why is it stacked? Why does it have it like this? By market cap. Let's go by volume. Is that going to help PayPay? WorldCoin is back up again. Synapse is one of the big movers. Dog with hat. That's still funny as. I love crypto. So sometimes I'm like, man, this is just ridiculous. No one's gonna take this seriously. And then I'm like, I don't really care. I mean, you know what? Who cares? Kratos, Ampleforth governance token, Doge Chain. What is Doge Chain? Covalent, Dione Protocol. Ooh, Constellation is up. Dag, my bag. Squid Grow, like Skid Row. Squid Grow. This is insane. Matrix AI. Never even heard of 90% of these. Let's go over to Femex Perps. See what I got on here. So AR Linear. So I was looking at this one last night. What are you doing, Bitcoin? Are you finally dying? Are you finally dying? And by dying, I mean giving us a correction. Are you finally dying? Right before 60K, you're not going to break it, are you? I don't think it's going to break it today. I don't know. Pretty big volume on that sell volume right there, but don't forget the candle ended up red, but we had a nice big wick sucking up all the juices, sucking up all the bear juices. I know that's a weird thing to think of and to see. Same, I'm mainly alts and degen plays. Yeah, win 10K. It's not happening, man. It's not happening. 10K, my butt cheeks. Win 10K. Good morning, Schaefer. I just realized that was Schaefer. Hey, man. Good morning. Otter Gang represent. I got an airdrop of cat with hat. It's up 2,500% on the 7 day. We are so back. I'm just ecstatic, guys. I'll keep asking everyone the same thing. Win 10K. Win 12K. 12K was really the one. Everybody, 12K. Like Capo, Savvy, Blockchain Backer wasn't saying 10K. He was saying, I'm bullish until we get into retracements. But once we get into retracements, I think that's it. I think it's done. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. It's just, sometimes it's, what's it called? We know what it's called, right? Let's put this on Mega. There we go. It is called disbelief. Disbelief. That is what all of this is. People are in disbelief. Okay? Is Ben Cowan still calling for 12K? Ooh, I don't know. I hope not. That's kind of surprising if he was, though. Ben Cowan's a pretty big Bitcoin bull, but I don't watch his content, so I don't know. Yeah. I guess it's a good thing. I don't know. This is disbelief. Leaf. Bull, is it bull eef or bull leaf? Bull eef. Just bull eef. It's like ETH. Is Tino still calling for 10K? The Bears are all dead. Yeah. Well, Tino was actually calling for 8K. Because there was a vector candle down there. Hey, it's fun to rag on bears, but at the same time, check on your bear friends. Um, uh, I didn't. I thought we would get here at some point. I did not think we would get here this quickly. I mean, it is just zooming. Absolutely zooming. I was trolling Lane Hughes on Twitter for being an ultra bear, and once we broke above 52K, he blocked me. I didn't even have to post anything. He just blocked me because he knew. This Schaefer guy is giving me a hard time, or this Grace guy is giving me a hard time. What the hell? What is this gamer doing? Wow, 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 wow. Guys, it is 6:01. I don't even want to leave the stream. It's like raining outside. I don't want to work in this stuff. I don't want to leave the stream. I'm gonna call into work right now and be like, hey, I quit. Silly gamers. What do these gamers know? What do they know? Aptos up 20%, breaking the value area high here. Hit close to that 0.5. I would be careful. Be careful on that. Something I have not done so far today. We are getting that dump. Little bit of a dump, but I mean, this thing's been going ham for so long. I mean, it's just kind of, I don't know. Then we've got the economic data coming up. So, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be shorting this at all. I have the flu, so I'm home for the week. Oh, brother. Hope you get better soon. I'm still with, he's acting up because Nunya told him. Wait, told him what? He's acting up because Nunya told him. Yep. Hope you get better, man. I'm still getting over, my stuff, the COVID. But it is what it is. Let's see. Smaller time frame. Get back above this, and it's in, who knows? Maybe we continue higher. It's just, oh, it's kind of insane. But let's back up a little bit. Let's see here. We did have some red volume in here as we were coming down. So just because we have red volume here doesn't mean we're gonna keep coming down, right? Because this thing just kept on blasting up. Little bump here and in volume that gave us this push overnight. The main thing for me right now is the fact that we did come up and take out the Asia high, like at the start of London. However, yesterday we did it wasn't at the start of London. It was during the New York kill zone is when we took out the Asia high. And then that was a nice time to get that correction in. This is the one that I didn't take profit in that I really wish I would have. But hey, it is what it is. But also when I was looking at this, I was like, is that an ABC correction? Is that an ABC? Sure enough, it probably was. This was wave, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know. I'm getting lost in my wave counts now. Wave 4 is a corrective wave. ABC, but this came to the upside. So, maybe not. Maybe I had this. Bam. It's kind of No, I don't think an expanded flat. No, this is a running flat. Ooh, missed the running flat. Well, that sucks. Oh well. All right, here it goes. Here goes your chance. Here's your chance to short. Go ahead. Someone say my name. Nunya. Has Nunya been Jonathan Schaefer this whole time? I did not know that. I did not know that. But now it makes sense. Now it makes sense. Not Jonathan Schaefmeister. I'm way past my time. I just can't get over this. Way past my time. Everything. You still, I mean, you have some that are like just really blasting off, but altcoins still just are not really. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance. You didn't know? No, I had no idea. I did not know. Oh, Bitcoin dominance is dead. It's dying. Bitcoin dominance. All right, we've hit the 0.618 after a nice little pullback. Just ignore the fact that this looks like accumulation and that it's going to keep on popping off. Just ignore that. What do we sit at right now? 54.21% dominance. Let's back up. Yeah, I had no idea that Nunya was a Schaefer. That's funny. Bitcoin dominance with the breakout. Bitcoin dominance with the breakout. Is it just gonna? I mean, I don't know how well patterns and stuff work on a dominance chart. But hey, we do have a breakout of dominance, so we could. Oh man, could start seeing some alts maybe taking a pause and seeing some alt profits going into Bitcoin to push this thing over the edge, over the hump to push it up into new all-time highs. Oof. Oofta. Wave 5 is expanding, so I would just be careful with shorts, guys. I don't even know if I would short anymore. Because if we're going to new all-time highs, we're in for a wild ride for the next couple months. And then it's all going to be over. We'll see. But anyways, I gotta go. You guys be safe out there. Don't forget to tether your board to your foot, and look out for sharks and whales and pullbacks. But I would just don't fight the trend. Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for being here. BTC.D is going to 60 to 70%. It's a bold claim, sir. 280K within the next 500 days. Some bold claims, sir. That's more than a year, though, so it's not out of the realm of possibility, in my opinion. I did do some wave counts yesterday. I was like, are we going to get to 300K? I don't know. But, hey, look at you. You're saying it, so maybe. Anyways, thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. I know we didn't do a whole lot, but more of like a celebration and kind of like, all right, here it is. Are we going to get our correction here? And even if we do, are you going to short it? Are you going to short this thing? I think I might just, I don't even want to short scalp it. I just want to buy it now. I got the FOMO. I'm feeling the FOMO. God help me. I want to make it through the news events tomorrow, but after that, hey man, that might be it. Might be time to. But like I said, we take it day by day. Right now, I would just say be careful. Uh, they're hunting. They're hunting those bears. So just be careful if you're planning on shorting. Keep it short and sweet and tight stops, and yeah, don't lose your capital trying to short this thing. Anyway, F that. I'm not shorting BTC unless it is on a 5-minute long trade. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for joining me this morning. I will see you guys in the chats as always. I love you all, and hit that like button on your way out, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Anyways, see you guys later on. Have a radical day. Ride those Bitcoin waves. Laser eyes.